Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're meeting me for the very first time, my name is Tutor Gloch. So in this channel we learn and grow together. So in today's video I'm going to be showing the 5 big mistakes why your YouTube channel is not growing fast. Your channel is not growing, poor views and poor subscribers. The truth is just that most YouTubers fail because of this common mistake. In this video, I will show you 5 big mistakes that stop your channel from growing and how you can be able to fix them. Number 1 is not choosing a clear niche. One big mistake we YouTubers do is posting random content. Today you post a prayer niche, tomorrow you post a comedy niche, and next week you are posting maybe tech niche. You are confusing the algorithm and your audience, so they can't dictate what this channel is all about. If it's comedy channel, if it's prayer channel, if it's maybe tech channel or motivational channel. So the solution to this now is to choose a particular niche you'll be teaching on your channel, or choose a particular niche that you'll be doing on your channel. Be specific on your channel. If you are doing prayer niche, you go ahead with your prayer niche. If you are doing motivational niche, you go ahead, but choose a specific niche you'll be doing on your channel. And this will help your channel to grow very fast when you choose a particular niche you want to be educating people on your channel. And number 2 is weak title. Your title is what makes people to click on your video. Your title also matters how algorithm push your video. So when you are creating your title, get a strong title. Bad title, algorithm don't push back bad title. So it's better that you get a strong title, an SEO title that is high ranking on YouTube. So don't just generate any title and post. No, get a strong title if you want your video to get subscribers and views on your channel. If you want your channel to get views and subscribers, create a strong title on your video. It is very important. And number 3 is poor thumbnail. Many creators today lose views because of boring thumbnails. A good thumbnail should have a bright color, bold, clear text, and a simple message. So create a good thumbnail. You can go to ChatGPT and create your thumbnail. Don't worry, if you want me to make a video on how to create a thumbnail with ChatGPT and without ChatGPT, please drop it on the comment section. So I'm going to be making a video on that. Number 4 is inconsistent uploading. If you upload once this month and disappear for weeks, let me tell you the truth, YouTube will not promote your channel. Algorithm will not even detect there is a channel like this on YouTube. And consistently tell YouTube that you are serious about creating content. At least post 2 to 3 times every week. Consistency builds trust with the algorithm. Number 5, ignoring YouTube SEO. You shouldn't ignore that one at all. SEO means search engine optimization, and this helps YouTube to understand your video very well. It is very good that you optimize your video before posting. Yes, it is very good. Optimize your video very well before posting. Optimize your title, optimize your description, optimize your tags, and optimize your hashtag. This will help you to generate, it will help your video to generate views and subscribers. It helps algorithm to understand your video very well and push it to the rightful audience. So good optimization push your videos to the rightful viewers, and algorithm play a very big role there by pushing your videos to the rightful people that want to watch your videos. So optimize your video very well before posting. And one thing you should know is just that growing on YouTube takes strategies and patience. And if you avoid these 5 mistakes I just tell you now, believe it, your channel will start growing much faster than before. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe to Tutor Gloch for more YouTube tips, and don't forget to comment below what is the biggest challenge you're facing on your channel right now. Let's tackle it together. So see you on my next video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and on the notification button so that anytime I post an amazing video like this, YouTube will notify you. So see you on my next video. Bye.